pulling hard. He's trying to get down in the grass on me. Can't let him. Okay. It might be a big fish. I don't know, guys. It's fighting hard. Oh yeah, it's a nice one, guys. It's a nice one. Real nice bass, yeah. Oh yeah, look at that sucker. Wow.
I'm Capt.C.C.Corey. Come with me and experience some of the most action-packed and adrenaline-filled fishing that North and Northeast Florida has to offer. We fish for everything from huge bass in freshwater to monster tarpon in saltwater, and everything in between. If you like seeing awesome jumps, if you like the sound of a screaming drag,
shit! Gosh! Man!
if you like seeing big fish, well, you just might have found your channel. So sit back, relax, if you can, and let's see what we can hook into today with the North Florida Angler.
Hey guys, C.C.Corey here, North Florida Angler. In this episode, we're going after big bass again, and we'll be using my favorite bait, the wild shiner. Now, there's supposed to be a late season front coming through today, and the forecast is calling for 25-mile-per-hour winds out of the northeast. These are the type of conditions that would keep a lot of fishermen from even going out. But what I found is if you can get set up on a good spot just before a front comes through, you can really wear out some big fish. And that's my hope today. So y'all come with me and let's see if I can catch another trophy bass. Y'all check it out.
All right, guys, got another run. All right, got something. Down in the grass. Okay, it's coming up. Nice bass. Good little jump there. Alrighty, see if I can get some here. Alright, got him. Alright, that's a pretty bass, guys. That's one that's probably 3.5, 4 pounds, something like that. Yeah, probably about 3.5. Yeah, pretty bass. Let me let her go. See you later. Okay, there's a nice one right there. All right, guys, I believe I have another hit. got something. Don't know. Oh, it might be a better fish. That's a nice one. He's biting. Strip and drag. Oh yeah, putting on a show. Putting on a show. Strong for his size. Yeah, there he is. Let me see if I can get him. Let's see if I can get him. Alrighty, guys. I got him. Yeah, it's one about, he's probably about 3.5 pounds. Yeah, pretty bass. Yeah, get my pliers out. All right, guys, gonna go ahead and let this fish go. I think I got another one on the other rod. All right, guys, got another run. All right, I think I got him. He's fighting. Yeah, he's putting up a fight. Putting up a fight. It's a nice bass, yeah. All right, let's see if I can get him here. All right, got him. All right, guys, that's a nice one. Yeah. That's probably about a 5-pounder. Yeah, pretty bass. Yeah, guys, that's a pretty one. Yeah. Let me let her back up. Number 9. See you later. All right, guys, I gotta run. Missed him. Darn it. I think he's right here. Okay, I got him hooked. And he's pulling, he's stripping drag. Let me get under this other rod here. Damn. He was caught in the grass. And he's pulling hard. He's trying to get down in the grass on me. Can't let him. Okay. It might be a big fish, I don't know, guys. He's fighting hard. Oh yeah, it's a nice one, guys. It's a nice one. Real nice bass, yeah. Oh yeah, look at that sucker. Wow. No wonder he pulled so hard. All right, let's see if I can get him, guys. See if I can get him. Oh, we ain't done yet. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. All right, guys, let's see if I can get him. All right. I got him, guys. That's a nice bass right there. Yeah, shoot ya. That fish might go over 9 pounds. I don't know. That's a nice one. Let me get my scale. All right, guys. Let's see what we got here. That's a nice big old bass right there. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. 0, 0. Okay. £9 and 9 ounces, guys. That's a really nice one. Yeah, shoot ya. 9 pounds, 9 ounces. All right, yeah. Big old fish. Shoot you guys, definitely a shoot you moment. Definitely a shoot you moment, yeah. Look at that big old sucker right there. Yeah. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this fish in the well and see if I can catch another big one and get that two-fisted, double-fisted pose if I can. All right, shoot yeah. All right guys, I believe I have another run. Let's see what happens here. All right, I think I got him. Fighting, busy. That's a nice bass. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's fighting. Oh yeah. Put up a good fight. All right, there he is right there, guys. See if I can get him here. Got him. All right, guys, that's a nice bass. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's one about 4.5 right there, guys, I'd say. You know, 4.5, maybe 5. You know, pretty bass. Let me go ahead and let her go. Number 16. Yeah. Alrighty, let's try that again, guys. Oh, I got one on this one already, guys. All right, got him. Fighting pretty good. Yeah, fighting pretty good. He's not that big, but he's strong. Not that big, but he's strong. Got him. All right, guys. It's a nice bass, about 2.5 pounds. I think that's number 16, I believe. 16 or 17, I'm not sure, but nice bass. I think it's 17, yeah. I'm gonna let her go. What's going on here with this one? I got one on this one. I did get a good hook set. Okay, I think I got him now. pulling. Whoa. Strip and drag. Trying to get down in that grass on me. That's a nice fish, yeah. Yeah, he's putting up a fight. Oh yeah. There he is right there, guys. Yeah. Alright, let's see if I can get him. Let's see if I can get him. Got him. Alright, guys. There's another one that's going to be over 5 pounds, I'm pretty darn sure. But I hooked him good. Oh, man. Hooked this sucker real good. Okay, got it. All right, guys, there's a nice bass. Another one that's probably a little over 5 pounds. Yeah, pretty fish. I believe that's number 18 for the day. Yeah, it's been some good fishing, guys. Nice quality bass. Yeah, they give me some really good fights too. Man, beautiful bass, beautiful bass. Yeah. All right, let me let her go. See you later. All right, guys, got another run. Let's see if I can get him. Oh, he's strip and drag. Oh. He's trying to get in the grass on me. It might be a good one, guys. He's fighting. Come on out of there, come on. Down in the grass he is. I don't know if I can get him out or not. I don't know. He's coming up. Fish is there, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, he's all tangled up in the grass. And it's a nice one. Oh yeah. It's a nice one, guys. Yeah, what a tangled up mess. Yeah, wow. All right, guys, that's another bass that's about 5 pounds. You know, I'd say, yeah, he's a good 5 pounder, I'd say for sure. Yeah, all right. Well, let me let her go. That's number 23 for the day. It's been a good day. Yeah, action-packed, guys, action-packed. All right, see you later. Windy, windy day, but I'm still catching bass, so. Okay. Bet my weed guard up a little bit, but that's okay. All right. Yep, blowing like a hurricane out here. Using my spot lock and it's holding me. Yep, it is blowing. All right, guys, got another one on here. All right, got him. pulling. Pulling pretty good. Yeah, he's pulling pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh, he's fighting. Oh man, he's pulling. Whoa. It's a strong one, guys. Trying to get down in the grass on me. Strong one. Oh yeah, there he is right there. That's a nice fish, yeah. Good job. All right. I think that might be the second biggest one of the day. He barely hooked too. All right. Got him. All right, guys. It's a nice bass right there, yeah. I might just go ahead and weigh him. Yeah, that's a pretty fish. Yeah, what's going on with that one? Nothing. That's a pretty one right there, guys. Yeah, let me get my scale, see how big this one is. Alrighty. All right, 0, 0. £6, 9 ounces, guys. That's a nice bass. 6 pounds, 9 ounces. Shoot ya. All right. All right, guys. Another nice bass. Yep, gonna go ahead and let her go. See you later. All right, guys, got another run right here by the boat. All right, I think I got him. He's down in the grass again. Darn it, he's pulling hard. I gotta get him out of that grass. Okay. Oh, nice bass. Oh yeah, good jump. Good jump. Oh yeah. All right, come here you, come here you. Oh, wasn't ready yet. All right, let's see if I can get him. It's a nice one. All right. All right, guys. That's another nice bass right there. Yeah, shit, yeah. That's another one that's probably gonna go 5.5, 6 pounds. I'm just curious. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh this fish just for the heck of it, just see how big it is. All right, guys, nice bass. Yeah, let's see what we get here. 0. All right, guys, 6 pounds, 2 ounces. 6 pounds, 2 ounces. Not a bad fish. Shoot ya. That's number 26. Yep. All right, guys. Another pretty bass. Yep. Number 26. 6 pounds, 2 ounces. Let me let her go. See you later. Man, guys, it's been a great day. I mean, it's blowing like a hurricane out here, but man, the fish are still biting good. So let me get another shiner hooked up and let's see if we can get another one. We'll see you all in a little bit. All right, guys, got another run. See if I can get him. Oh. Okay, I think I got him, guys. I do believe I think I got him. Oh yeah, okay. tangled in the other line, but I think it might have come loose. All right, that's a nice one. Got him. All right, guys. There's one that's probably pushing 4 pounds. That's number 28 for the day. Man, wind blowing like a hurricane out here. Bass still biting like crazy. Beautiful bass. Gonna go ahead and let her go. We will see you later. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. It's only 12, but the wind has really started blowing hard and these fish have shut down. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it. I ended up with 33 bass today. And it's only 12 o'clock, but man, a heck of a good day. I got several 4-pounders, some 5s and 6s, and of course I got that big one. And I'm gonna go ahead and show her to you one last time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let her go right back in her home. All right, yeah. Big old bass, guys. Yeah, I think she weighed 9.9 or 9.11. I'm not quite sure. I can't quite remember now, but that's a really nice bass though. There she is right there. She's a post spawner. She would have been a lot bigger if I'd caught her like a month or so ago, you know, but there she is right there. Big old bass, guys. Big old bass. Yeah. Yeah, she's long. Yeah. Look at that big old mouth she's got there. Big old mouth. Yeah. That's a beaut, guys. That's what you come to Florida for right there. Big old bass like that right there. Yeah, look at that sucker. Yeah, look at that sucker. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let her go. All right, there she is, guys. All right, guys, there she goes right there. Right back into her home. Shoot, yeah. All right, guys, she swam off great. And just like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and call it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The North Florida Angler. Until next time, tight lines, good fishing. We'll see you out in the water.